I ran into this last week here, so fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication on your Epic Launcher is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher. Launch the Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the bottom left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Password and Security. This section contains options for managing your account security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication section. You will see options for enabling it via an authentication app or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm setup. After enabling 2FA, you will receive a verification code via your chosen method. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm that 2FA is successfully set up. Remember, if you choose the authentication app option, make sure to download a reliable app like Google Authenticator or Authy beforehand. Enjoy the added security for your Epic account.